Good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. Another lovely day into another weekend here for me. Getting ready to head home this afternoon, back down to the city. Get away from the country, unfortunately. I got to go back and earn the dollars and cents that help pay for getting out here. Eventually, I'm going to make the transition over to this is a full-time gig, but in the meantime, I still got to go earn a living. So, cover up what I did this weekend. Mostly just a bunch of harvesting, finishing touches, putting in some final fall crops. Did some propagating of other plants, cleaning up, a whole lot of stuff. I'll have to try to film some of the stuff as I'm prepping it back home, because I got a lot of drying I got to do. I got a lot of prep I got to do so I can be ready for the farmers markets next year. All in all, just a whole lot of miscellaneous things. I'm going to do something I haven't done in a while, in a few weeks. I'm going to give an overview of the yard from the corner, the other corner, and now that the deck is mostly in place, I can't get up there yet. We don't have stairs or sheeting on it, but from the front of the deck. So basically just to give this place an overview, because I haven't done one for a little while, to see what's up. You can stand in the back corner of the yard right now. You can see the wonderful corn plants behind me there. I'm going to get probably a couple dozen ears of corn out of that if I'm lucky. At least that's how many tassels have come up, at least a couple dozen. So I'm back to doing the old sow thing. That's life, you get some habits, you break them, the habits come back again. It's always kind of weird that way. Let's take a look, see what the Oasis has to offer up for people. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, this is the back corner that's so featured on all the early videos. I scroll across, you see how full the garden beds are. As we continue to scroll across, we got the umbrella. And coming into view now is the deck. And that deck is taken on really good shape, so you can't see over to the other side. We've got part of the walls up on the deck now. Maybe I'll go into the center and do a 360 of everything so you can see what's up. But this is what it is from the back corner. A lot happening there. And the plants are all growing really well. Okay, this is the other corner of the Oasis, and you can see the deck from this side here. It's looking pretty good. The deck's going to be really nice. Going to have a drying room in there to dry stuff. I won't have to take as much stuff home. And a bit of a storage area. But this is down the path. You can see it's a lot different than it was when we first started the Oasis. Everything keeps coming together bit by bit. And I think what I'm going to definitely do now is I'm going to pop over and, oh, wait a second. Oh, I hope we got him. Hummingbird came in for a visit. Okay, let's go do a 360 from the center of the Oasis. That might be the place to be next time. Alright, here we go. We're going to take a 360 of the Oasis, and we'll just do a nice slow sweep around. We're at the center of the Oasis right now, so you can slowly see all the different plants. You can't quite see to the top of the sunflowers. We've got some massively huge sunflowers. Got one that's 10 feet tall. Try and get it on film after we finish this. You can see the grass patio there is coming in quite nicely, with the grasses filling in. We'll be chopping those trees down and putting the marble tables on in the next few weeks. The grass is just about stable enough for us to cut those down to the right height. My work area back there in the back, which is mostly complete. Got to get the bench built. Wood shed, looking really good. Plants, 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 and more plants. Lots of edibles in here. This year here, not enough to feed us for months, but add quite a few number of meals to everything we do. And there's the deck. You can see those stairs will be coming down the face of that wall we put in yesterday. So there it is, the Oasis 360. This will probably be the place to give the Oasis the overview going forward. Then you can see all of it. Okay, that's all I've got. I think it's time to get the Oasis opened up and finish doing some harvesting, as that's really all I need to do today. Alrighty, off we go.
You know my baby bought a damn skateboard. I wish it could have been a Chevy or a Ford. She likes to leave it at the top of the steps. You know someday we're gonna break our necks. If she don't lose it like I said she should, I'm gonna turn it into firewood. I told my baby it was skateboard or me. Now I'm a crying 'cause she's setting me free. I said we're skating better